Hi students, so we are discussing about the 3D projections, and as well as we are already covered 3D transmission techniques. At the same time, we discussed regarding of projections, types of projections, parallel projections, perspective projections, vanishing point, single, double, and 3-point. These all are very important according to our syllabus. Now, the last part of 3D transmissions in computer graphics, that is backspace removal or hidden surface removal. Backspace removal or hidden surface removal, we will see the concept. What is a backspace? What is a hidden surface removal? So, actually we are discussing in projections. The projection is nothing but to converting 3D object image to 2D on a screen. Now, when you are drawing a picture, when you are drawing image, when you are converting 3 dimensions to the 2 dimensions, all things are may not possible. That's why, for better understanding and for better clarification, we want to remove some parts. That is called removal or elimination. Elimination or removal. Hidden surface removal or hidden surface elimination. Backspace removal or backspace elimination. Now listen. Another name for hidden surface removal another name for hidden surface removal visual surface detection. What is the another name for hidden surface removal? That is visual surface detection. If you identify the visual surface, then automatically the hidden surface we can remove it. Look at here. Visual surface detection or hidden surface removal, both are same. Backspace removal. Visual surface detection or hidden surface removal, both are same. One of the most challenging problem in computer graphics is the removal of hidden surface from image of solid object. Removal of image, removal of hidden parts of the image, solid object. In real life, the opaque material of this object obstructs the light rays from hidden parts and prevent us from seeing them. So, anyway, I'm not going to explain this concept in a complicated way. So, whatever you want to understand here, we have to understand one thing. Hidden surface removal or visual surface detection, both are same. This concept explains to remove the hidden parts of the object and draw the visible surface of the object on a screen. Simple thing. I want to give you an illustration. Look at it here. This is the object, and here hidden surface removal. you want to draw this object on a screen. Just imagine this is a 3D object. Okay, 3D object. First of all, what are the hidden surfaces in this object? What are the hidden surfaces in this object? This is the front view. At the same time, this one is the back view. When you look at the front view, the back space is a hidden surface, and side also you couldn't see. This is also a hidden surface, and this one also you couldn't see. This one also a hidden surface. When you are looking front view, I'm talking about only front view. When you're looking at front, you couldn't see back space, you couldn't see side space, you couldn't see top space. Now, what you are seeing, this is called visual surface detection. And if you want to draw this image, how can you draw it? So you will draw a rectangle. You can draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle object. You can draw a rectangle. So you couldn't see the here again surface, top surface is there, again bottom is there, side is there, again side is there. It's like it's a cube. It's a cube. But what could we draw? You can draw only front surface. This one only you can draw it. And drawing of this one and removing of all these hidden surface, remove this side and remove this side and remove the back, only you can draw this one. And drawing of this one is called visual surface detection or hidden surface removal. Hidden surface removal. We'll see. Look at the picture. Same object I am showing here. This is the object. This is a cube. This is also cube because side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spaces are there. 6 spaces are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 4 sides, 4 sides, and one top and bottom. This also cube. This one also cube. Look at here. This cube is here, just in the figure. So, what is the hidden lines here? What are the hidden lines here? So here hidden lines are here, and these lines are hidden line. And this line, look at here, I will explain clearly. What are the hidden lines? This line is a hidden line. Okay, and this line is a hidden line, and this one is a hidden line. Okay. Now, what you want to do? Just remove the all hidden lines. Just remove the all hidden lines from the object. Look at here. This is the actual object with the hidden lines. This is the object with the hidden lines. What hidden surface removal means, or visual surface detection means, those lines are visualized. Detect those lines. Those are not visualized. Remove those lines. The same manner, hidden surface removal, removing the all lines, hidden surface, hidden lines. Now these are the visual lines detection or hidden surface removal. Now removing the lines which are not visualized, and this process is called hidden surface removal or visual surface detection. And how you will do this operation? How you will do this operation? Hidden surface removal or visual surface detection, both are same. We have seen the example, live example, and one figuratively. One cube is there, inside many lines are there. These are the hidden lines, just removing the hidden lines, and now is the new lines for that object. This process is called hidden lines or hidden surface removal. Now, how we would do this? We will do this in two ways. Two processes are there. Two ways are there to doing of hidden surface removal. The first process or first method is called object space method. The second method is called image space method. You want to remove that hidden surface removal, or if you want to find out the visual surface detection, we are following two methods. First one is the object space method and second one is the image space method. We will see what is the object space method and image space method. Look at here. Types of hidden surface detection algorithms. Hidden surface detection, hidden surface removal, or visual surface detection. So two methods are there. First one is the object space method, second one is the image space method. We will see what is the object space method and what is the image space method. In this method, object space method, I am talking about the object space method. Both methods are both algorithms. We are using the hidden space removal or visual space detections. Look at here. In this method, various parts of objects are compared. After comparison, visible, invisible, or hardly visible surface is determined. This method generally decides visible surface. In the wireframe model, these are used to determine a visible line. So this algorithm are line based instead of the surface based. Method processed by determination of the parts of an object whose view is obstructed by other object and draws these parts in same color. So what is telling? In the object space method, this method various parts of objects are compared. After comparison, visible, first various parts objects are compared. Then after comparison, visible, invisible, hardly visible surface determined. First of all, comparison. For checking, comparison nothing for checking, comparing, for checking, observing. Then which are visible, which are not visible, or which are hardly visible. That is called determination. That is thing happening here. Then after that, decide to draw the visible surface. Hardly visible, don't like it. Which are not visible, don't like it. Which are invisible, you don't need to write it. And it determines to draw the lines, determines to draw which are visible. That parts only it will going to draw. This is the object space method. And object space method we are using in a physical objects. The physical objects on the screen. A physical objects on the screen. And it is x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinates on the screen. A physical objects on the screen. Object space method we are totally use exactly using for the. So what is the which type of objects or which type of materials we will use the object space method? So look at here. This is an object. Okay, you draw this one, this figure, this image, then we will follow the object space method. This is x coordinate over physical, the physical object, interpretation of the x and y coordinate, x and y and z coordinates on the screen. And second one is image space method especially follow the pixels totally on screen in computer graphics. An image space method especially used in the computer graphics, especially on a screen, on display screen. Object space method on plane, and image space method pixels on screen in computer graphics. Here position of various pixels are determined. It is used to locate the visible surface instead of the visible line. Each point is detected for its visibility. If a point is visible, then the pixel is on, otherwise off, so that object close to the viewer, that is pierced by a projector through a pixel, is determined. That pixel is drawn is the appropriate color. These methods are also called visible surface determination. The implementation of these methods on a computer requires a lot of processing time and processing power of the computer. Processing time and processing power of the computer. Both colors of visible surface determination. These are called visible surface determination methods. Here what is telling? Image space method and object space method. Object space method for the physically, and image space method for the on screen, the pixel based. So both are only visible things we're going to draw on monitor, on screen or plane. So here following the surface is visible, then pixel will on. Surface is not visible, pixel will off. So like that, it determines the visible surface. On screen, it is visible, object is visible. The image, nothing but object image. So what is image? Image space method means here only images. Object space method means object. It is the image of the object. It's a real physical object. The first method following the physical things, and second method following the images on a screen. It is pixel by pixel. That is object comparison of the objects, visible and invisible things. It also visible and invisible surface wise, but here it is visible, the pixel will on. It's not visible, pixel will off. Like this, you will determine the visibility lines, visible surfaces, and these methods are also called a visible surface determinations. Visible surface determination. For implementation of these methods on a computer requires a lot of processing power and time and memory. Implementation of these methods, what we need? Power need, time required, memory also required. Okay, so these both methods are using to determine visible surfaces or hidden surface removal. So these both methods are we are using for what? Visible surface determination or visible surface detection or hidden surface removal. Both are same. We are using, one is the object space method, second one is the image space method. So image space is object based. It concentrates on geometrical relation among the object in the screen. It is the pixel based method. It is concerned with the final image, what is the visible within the each raster pixel. It is a geometrical. We are using the geometrical tools here to draw the picture. Here we are using the screen, the pixels, so relations geometrically. Here the pixel. So here surface visibility is determined. Here surface visibility or point visibility are determined. So these are the differences between the object space and image space. Both are using for what? Visible surface detection or hidden surface removal. I don't want to discuss further more. Let's see the object. this object. If you take this one, if you take this one, okay, you take this one, object space method, and this is the object image space method, and this image space method just removing the hidden lines only, which are able to see that surface only we are drawing here. And this type of process is called hidden surface removal or visible surface detection. Visible surface detection. And we will see what type of algorithms we will use for what types of algorithms we will use for hidden line surface detection or visible surface detection or hidden surface removal. What types of algorithms we will use? Here 6 types of algorithms are given, and these 6 types of algorithms we are using in the computer graphics to determine visual surface detection or hidden line surface detection. First one, backspace removal algorithm. Backspace removal algorithm. Jet buffer algorithm. Jet buffer algorithm also called as depth. Jet buffer algorithm also called depth comparison. Jet buffer algorithm also called depth comparison. Painter algorithm, scanline algorithm, subdivisional algorithm, floating origin algorithm. These are all algorithms we are using for hidden surface removal. These are algorithms we are using for hidden surface removal or visual surface detection. Visual surface. So depth comparison, also called jet buffer method. So depth comparison method we are using for visual detection or visual surface detection. So depth comparison also known as jet buffer method. Jet buffer method. So how will look at here, object description converted to the projections coordinates. Each xyz positions on a polygon surface correspond to the orthographic projections point xy on the view plane. The depth comparison. So depth comparison. S1, S2, S3, 3 objects are given. And next method is called scalar line algorithm. Depth comparison or jet buffer method. And second one is the scanline algorithm. The scanline algorithm also we are using for visual surface detection. This is scanline algorithm. Scanning the object, when the points are intersect, that point will be stored in the memory. Draw a image. So based on the intersection point, the visible points, based on these visible points, and scan line 1, scan line 2, and scan line 3, and this visible surface detection will be done, or hidden surface removal will be done based on the scanning of the lens. These are the two methods. Many methods are there already, I told. But these are the two important methods that we are using for hidden surface removal, backspace removal, or visual surface detection. Visual surface detection. So again, I want to wind up this topic because very important topic. So this topic, hidden surface removal. What is the name of the topic? Hidden surface removal. So what is the hidden surface removal? In a 3D object, and draw on a plane or screen. So you are removing the parts that you are unable to see, or hidden parts of the objects, hidden lines of the object, or eliminating the hidden lines or parts of the object. That process is called hidden surface removal. Hidden surface removal. So already shown how to remove the hidden lines or hidden surfaces. In a cube, you are removing or eliminating the three inner lines. Those lines unable to see. So that is called hidden surface removal. Actually, hidden surface removal, it will done by in two ways and using of two algorithms. First one is the object space method, and second one is the image space method. Using of these two methods, we will determine visual surface detections or hidden surface removal. And we have already seen what is a object space method and what is a image space method, and algorithms, types of algorithms that helps for hidden surface removal or visual surface detection. Among them, I already told two are very important. First one is the depth comparison. Depth comparison also called Z buffer method, and second one is the scanline algorithm. Scanline algorithm, and how to scan the object and identify the visible points and draw on the screen the lines of the object. This is also called backspace removal. So hidden space or hidden surface removal concept, it is clear. I hope that you may understand this concept clearly and we can write this concept in examination. This is the thing that I am expecting from you after completion of this video. And be serious for forthcoming examination. Prepare well and be in touch with your syllabus and follow the video lectures that are posted by in a group, and be serious. Thank you so much.